Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening all. Yes, I spoke all the things to you because I can't decide what you will accept. It means what time you will see, what time you will watch this video, I cannot decide na. That's why I said hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon and good evening. Everything I spoke, right? So dear students, come on the studies. We already started our chapter number 6. Chapter number 6, my neighborhood, and in this chapter I already made you learn about neighbors and the neighborhood, है ना? Whom we call the neighbors and what is the neighborhood. These two things I already explained to you. Right, so today we will start something new, something different. Learning is in EVS, but I will take a small recap. Whatever we have done in our previous lecture, I want to get the continuity from the lecture. That's why I will take the recap, right? But keep one thing is in your mind, dear students. Nowadays some technical issues, some technical problem is going on in the network. That's why you are not able to watch the videos, है ना? So you will keep reading at your home. Okay, don't get the disconnect from the studies, connect with the studies, right? So I already explained you about the neighbors. Yes, families, those who are living in different houses, but they are living in the surrounding of our area. They are living in the same colony, they are living in the same place where we are living. Those are the neighbors, whom we call the neighbors. And the neighborhood means where we have the house. Neighborhood means means the what things we have around us, how many places we have around us. That is neighborhood. And I already explained you about the neighborhood. There are two kinds of neighborhood. First one is the natural features. In this category, mountains, hills, trees, lake, pond, river, jharna, birds, forest, all these things will come in this category, right? And second one is the man-made neighborhood, or we can say the artificial neighborhood. So in this category, when we will construct a house, when we will build a house, then these things we will always keep in our minds. Our house should be in that place where we can get to hospital easily, where we can get the market easily, where we can get the bank easily, where we can get the police station easily, where we can get the post office easily. Suppose we want to construct a house, we want to build a house, then what thing we will keep in our mind? What thing we will keep in our mind? That hospital should be nearby your house. मैं ऐसा नहीं बोल रही हूँ कि बिल्कुल हॉस्पिटल के बाजू में आपका घर हो. I am not saying like that. It should be at least 1 or 2 kilometer areas nearby your house. 1 or 2 kilometer area. Bank should be there, right? Then post office should be there, right? Then police station should be there. Right? So when we will build a house, we will construct a house, then we will keep all these things is in our mind. Market also, yes, market where we are getting our daily routine things. So all these things should be there, है ना. ऐसा हो सकता है कि वो 2 से 3 किलोमीटर के एरिया में हो, लेकिन होना चाहिए. We can't take our house out of the city, out of the town. If we will have any work, if there is an emergency, then we will face problem. अगर हम शहर के बहुत बाहर घर लेते हैं और हमारे घर से ये सारी चीज़ें, मार्केट, हॉस्पिटल, बैंक, पुलिस स्टेशन, फायर स्टेशन, टेम्पल, ये सारी चीज़ें अगर बहुत दूर होंगी बेटा, then definitely we will face the problem, because we human being has so many needs in our day-to-day life. So it is necessary to us, we will keep all these things in our mind when we are going to construct a house, or we are going to take the house in rent, right? Understand? Okay, hope you understand better. Now, in my last lecture, I explained you about the post office. And so many students send me the replies. So many students like Atharv Dangi from 2nd Ruby, and Namish Mahajan, Guni Sete, and Pranav Goyal. Yes, these 4-5 students sent me the work. Sometimes I cannot understand. I have so many good students in class 2, and some students are only sending the replies. Why all are not sending the reply? Okay, no issue. If you don't want to send, no problem, but keep doing. Okay. Then hospital and bank also. Now it is now post office. Post office is a place where we can get the letters, we can get the postcard and envelope and stamps, है ना. And post office is a place where we can get all these things, है ना. When we will write a letter, then we will go to a letter box, and there is a small window in that letter box, and we will keep the letter inside the window, है ना. And then postman will come, and postman will open the lock, and he will take out the letters. Then he will go to post office, and where he will separate all these letters. Whatever letter he collected, he will separate all those letters, and then by using the van, by using the train, by using the bus or aeroplane, the letters sent to the respective places, right? Then I made you learn about the hospital. Hospital is a place where we all got the treatment when we will get sick, when we will fall sick, when we have fever, when we will get injured, when we will get hurt. That time hospital is a place where we can get the treatment, and doctor is a person who treat us so well, so very nice, and a nurse is a person who take care of us. Whatever prescription is written by a doctor, it followed by the nurse, right? And hospital has a kind of vehicle. And the name of that vehicle is ambulance. And ambulance we all are using in emergency only. When we have any emergency, then only we are using the ambulance. And when we will dial 102, this is the dialing number of ambulance. When we will call on this number, we will get an ambulance, right? And then I told you about the bank. Yes, bank is a place where we can keep our things, where we are feeling so protective. When you will, dear student, when you will heard the name bank, what thing come first is in your mind? What is click is in your mind? Bank. Bank is very much related with what? With money. Bank is a place where we can give the money or from where we can get the money. Bank is a place where we can give the money or we can take the money. We also can give to the bank, we can take from the bank. Right? Whatever money we have, we can keep in the bank because we are feeling safe. If we have big amount of money, we can't keep at our homes. If we have big amount of money, we cannot keep at our home. We should keep in the bank only. घर पर तो चोरी हो सकती है ना बेटा. So we human beings always believes on bank. Always believes on bank. And one more thing, bank is a place where we can keep the jewelries also. Your mama, your daddy have the jewelries na, gold jewelry, diamond jewelry. So these all are very expensive to us. These all jewelry is very expensive to us. We cannot keep all these things at our homes, right? Because when we will not at home or in the condition mama and papa both are working, then they will have the lock at the home. So anybody can break the lock and get inside and take all those jewelries and all things, na? That's why we all are using the lockers also. Bank is a place where has the locker and we can keep our important documents as well as our jewelries in that lockers. Right? And one more thing bank is provided to us, that is ATM. So many times you visited to ATM with your parents, especially with your papas, right? So ATM is a place provided by the bank. Understand? See, when you will go to the ATM, papa will take out the ATM card from the wallet, right? And when you will visit the ATM, he will get inside the ATM and he will get in that ATM card in the ATM, right? Then he will enter his PIN code and whatever amount he wants to take, he will feed that amount in that ATM and then he can get the money. We can withdraw the money from the bank, from the ATM, right? So nowadays ATM is very useful. Nobody wants to keep the big amount of the money in the pocket, in the wallet. Everybody has the ATM cards. If they will need, there are so many ATMs in our cities, in our town. We can go and we can take out the money whatever we want, right? So now today we are going to start being a good neighbor. Today we will learn about the being a good neighbor. Being a good neighbor. Right? So today we will learn about this being a good neighbor. What is the mean by being a good neighbor? Being a good neighbor means हमें एक अच्छा अच्छा पड़ोसी होना चाहिए. Right, so whatever is written in your book, first I will read for you. This wala beta I am showing in front of the camera, being a good neighborhood. This wala part I will read, then I will explain to you. Okay, when you will watch this video, you will get ready with your book. Right, so first I will read whatever is written in your book. I am going to read line number 1. To live happily in a neighborhood, we need to be a good neighbor. Yes, if it is very much correct written over here in your book, that if we want to live our life happily, so it is necessary to have good relationship with the neighbors. I already told you about that. Have the good strong bonding with your neighbors, otherwise you cannot live your life happily without the support of your neighbors. So it is necessary not only for you, it is necessary to me also have the good relation with the neighbors. Right, now let's see what is written in line number 2. A good neighbor is the one of who is ready to help other neighbors. Once again I will read. A good neighbor is the one who is ready to help other neighbors. It is very much correct written in your book. A good neighbor always come first for the help. If we have any emergency, if you have any problem, then only the neighbor who will come first to your help, for your help. Your relatives are living very far from your house. If you will make them a call, then they will take the time to come to you. But the neighbor will come first to your house if you will have in trouble, if you have any problem, any trouble, an emergency. Right? So let's see what is written on number 3. Here are some ways that you are good neighbor. Some ways are written in your book that will tell you what have the good qualities should there in a neighbor. Number 1, children of my neighbors stay at our home when their parents go out for shopping. Yes, it's happened in our day-to-day life. It's happened in our daily routine. Children of my neighbors stay our home when their parents go out for shopping. है ना, ऐसा बहुत बार होता है ना कि आप अपने पड़ोस में जाकर कुछ समय निकालते हो, या आपके पड़ोसी के बच्चे आपके घर में आकर कुछ टाइम स्पेंड करते हैं अगर उनके पेरेंट्स कहीं बाहर होते हैं. तो इट इज़ हैपनिंग इन आवर डेली लाइफ. That is written in your book only. So, children of the neighbors stay our home when their parents have any work and any emergency. They will go out. So, they dropped their child at your home. Right? Now, we take urgent messages of our neighbors when they are not at home. Yes. It is very much correct written over here. We take urgent messages of our neighbors when they are not at home. Suppose this line I will explain you for give an example. Suppose your mama and papa both are working. Mama और पापा both are working, man and woman, right? वो दोनों काम के लिए बाहर जाते हैं. Then from morning to evening, if any work is there, if any message is there, if any person will come to your house, then who will receive the message on behalf of your parents? Of course, your neighbors. कभी कभी ऐसा होता है ना बेटा, सपोज मम्मी एंड पापा दोनों जॉब करते हैं, देन कभी ऐसा होता है कि आपकी मम्मी आपके नेबर्स को बोलकर जाती हैं कि प्लीज़ हमारा आज गैस का सिलेंडर आने वाला है एंड आज हमें बाहर जाना है, हमारा तो डेली का रूटीन ही है बाहर जाना, तो प्लीज़ मैं आपको कार्ड और या पैसे देकर जा रही हूँ, आप प्लीज़ मेरा गैस का सिलेंडर अपने घर रखवा लीजिएगा, व्हेन आई विल कम बैक इन द इवनिंग आई विल कलेक्ट फ्रॉम योर हाउस। ऐसा होता है ना, इट इज हैपनिंग इन आवर लाइफ। यस, इट इज हैपनिंग इन आवर लाइफ, especially when both the parents are working, especially in that condition both the parents are working, that time it's happen in our life, it's happen in our day to day life, in daily life, that we always wants to help from our neighbors because whole day we are not at home, है ना, something is in our life, then we have to take the help of our neighbors. If any letter will come, if any letter will come to your house, then your neighbor can take on behalf of you from postman. If nowadays the online shopping is in the fashion, is in the trend, so suppose your parcel, your mama's parcel will come, but your mama is not there at home, your mama has gone for her work, she has gone for her office, then who will collect that? So you can take the help of your neighbor that time you can take to your neighbor, tell to your neighbor, please collect my parcel will come, you please collect my parcel on behalf of me, right? Number 3, now I am going to read number 3. We as volunteers serve our guests when there is any celebration. Yes, it is happening in our life. As a volunteer, we are also the welcoming to the guest of our neighbors. Sometimes suppose there is marriage in your neighbor's family, then definitely they will invite you, definitely you will go and you will attend all the functions, whatever functions is going on and that neighbor's family, then you will attend all these functions. And sometime most of the time it is happening in our life, we will take so many help, है ना। sometimes हम हमारे पड़ोसी को बोलते हैं कि प्लीज़ आपके, कई बार ऐसा होता है हमारे पास कुछ सामान नहीं होता और हमें इमरजेंसी में ज़रूरत पड़ती है, तो हम नेबर्स के पास जाते हैं हेल्प के लिए और वो लेते भी हैं। सो इट इज़ वेरी नेसेसरी नॉट ओनली टू यू बट इट इज़ नेसेसरी फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस to have the good relationship with the neighbors, right? So whenever there is an celebration at home, we invite our neighbors. I already made you learn about these things. Whenever we have any celebration, definitely first we will invite our neighbors, है ना। They take good care of our neighbors whenever they are sick. Yes, if any emergency is there in the family, any problem is in their family, so we always take the help of our neighbors. Suppose anybody falls sick in the family, that time only we can take the help of our neighbors, right? So being a good neighbor, all these 1 2 3 4 5 6 qualities should be there in a neighbor, right? But my dear students, some more good qualities should have the neighbors. Some more good qualities should have the neighbors, right? Friendly relationship with your neighbors, so you can enjoy your social life with them, right? This is also the important part. Always have the friendly relationship with your neighbors so you can enjoy your social life very much. This is also the important point. Okay, now places in the neighborhood. Second wala part I am going to, this wala part, places in the neighborhood. This wala part we will do. Okay, places in the neighborhood, I already told you that where we have the house, है ना, we have so many places around our house. These all are the man-made places. These all are the artificial places which we human beings created to make our life more convenient, to make our life more easy, to make our life more smooth. Right? Suppose I will give you an example. If you are living in that area, there is no shop. There is no shop. None of shop is there around the surrounding of your neighbors. Then what you will do बेटा? अगर आपके घर में गेस्ट आ गए, सपोज आपके घर में दूध खत्म हो गया, मम्मी क्या बोलती है, जा फटाफट वो पास की दुकान से दूध का पैकेट लेकर आ जा, वो गेस्ट आए हैं, दूध खत्म हो गया है, जा फटाफट थोड़े से बिस्किट ले आ। कई बार ऐसा होता है बच्चों का वेफर्स खाने का मन होता है, नहीं कुछ खाने का मन होता है, नूडल्स मैगी कुछ भी मामा बोलती है, तो आप फटाफट जाके शॉप से ले आते हो ना। इट इज़ हैपनिंग। सपोज आपके घर के आसपास कोई शॉप ही नहीं होगी, तो फिर क्या करेंगे आप? यू विल फेस प्रॉब्लम, आपको परेशानी होगी ना। दैट्स व्हाई आई एम टेलिंग यू ऑल द नेबरहुड प्लेसेस should be there within 1 or 2 kilometer areas, right? So whatever is written in your book, first we will read, then I will explain to you. Let us now read some important places in the neighborhood. First one is market. First one is market. Market. So what is market? What is the definition of a market? Market is a place where we can get our daily routine things. Market is a place where we can get our daily routine things. We can buy from the market only. Market is a place where we can get all these things, whatever requirement of our daily life, it is fulfilled by the market only, right? We need so many things in our daily life. We need grocery, and we need vegetables. These are our daily routine requirement, and market is a place where we can get all these things easily, right? So we go to the market to buy things of our daily use. Yes, whatever I explained to you, it is written in your book. We go to market to buy things whatever we need in our daily life. There are many shops in the market. Yes, when you will go in the market, you can see so many shops in the market, so many kinds of shop. Whether it is a see, if we are living in the big city, big town, then there is the separate market. When you will go to the Indore, you can see there are so many market. There are so many market, and all the market are separated according to their needs. Like वहाँ पर मेडिसिन मार्केट भी है, जहाँ पर हिंदी में जिसको दवा बाजार बोलते हैं. You can get medicine over there. Fruit market, vegetable market, cloth market, grocery market, big super mall, big bazaar. These all are the kinds of the market, and we can get all these things in the market only, right? We can buy the things, food item, clothes, utensils, medicines, toys, book, everything. Beta Indore is a very big city, so there is the separation of the things. There is a separate medicine market, there is a separate cloth market, there is a separate toy market, there is a separate book market, there is a separate grocery market, there is the separate utensils market, there is separate jewelry market, electronic market. वहां पर सब अलग अलग होता है. क्यों? क्योंकि इंदौर इज अ बिग सिटी. They can separate, they can make the separate market, they develop the separate markets. वहाँ पर अगर आप गए हो तो दवा बाजार में गए हो तो you will get medicine only, उसके अलावा आपको कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. अगर आप क्लॉथ मार्केट गए हो you will get cloth only, आपको फिर कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. ठीक है. So these separations we can see in the big cities, in the metropolitan cities, in the big cities, big town, right? We buy things with money. Yes, this point is very necessary. When we will go to the market, we have money, we need money, we should money in our pocket. Pocket should be fulfilled with money, otherwise we can't buy anything from market. Even if you don't have money, you can't buy even a chocolate, even a toffee. Without money, nobody will give you anything in this world. Nothing is free in this world. You cannot get anything without money. Right? Now let's see. Every neighborhood has a small market. Nowadays some neighborhood has a big shopping mall. Yes, you have visited so many shopping malls. When you will go out from the Khargone, you have, and make sure that you all visited so many big bazaars, so many supermarkets, so many shopping malls in big cities, right? So last two paragraph I will explain to you. Last is police, second last is police station. Every big neighborhood has the police station. Yes, in our Khargone also we have the police station. In front of the post office, that post office चौराहे वाली line में we have the police station, right? So the police help maintain law and order. What is the main work? What is the main job of a policeman? Policeman always the maintain and law and order. Whatever order they will get from the government side, that is their duty to maintain all the law and the orders. पुलिस का काम सिर्फ चोरों को पकड़ना ही नहीं होता बेटा, उन्हें अपने शहर की, अपने टाउन की एक सिस्टम को बनाए रखने के लिए they should maintain the law and the orders, right? They guard neighborhood from the danger. They help people to find their lost item. Yes, when we lost anything, then we will go to the police station and we will write a complaint. I lost my these things. Police will help us to find out all these things. Police will find out these things and he will provide to us. अगर हमारी कोई चीज़ गुम जाती है तो हम पुलिस स्टेशन में जाकर एक कंप्लेंट लिखवाते हैं. And what is the number of a police station? 100 number. When we will call on 100 number, then this number will receive on the police station and police will come to help you. Police will come to help you, to protect you. Whenever you are, if you have any problem, you can call on 100 number. Then immediately police will come and he will help you. Traffic police, yes, as like the police station, traffic police also is there. What is the job of a traffic police? Traffic police control the traffic of the city, of the town, of the particular area. So if they will not control, then what will happen? We can lots of rush on the roads. Everybody will come here. Then it is very much chances to person they will meet with an accident. They can get injured. Accident will happen in our daily lives. रोज accident होंगे. Then it is necessary for a traffic police to control the traffic on the road, so everybody can reach on time to their offices, to their school, to their respective places. If they will not control the traffic, then what will happen? You will still in the rush. Suppose you are going to school, suppose you are living in the Indore and your school is very far from your house. Your school is very far from your house and you are sitting in the bus and your bus is in the traffic only. आपकी बस जो है वो ट्रैफिक में फंस गई है. There is no traffic police to control the traffic. Then what will happen? आप तो ट्रैफिक में फंसे रहोगे और वो ट्रैफिक का जाम बहुत लंबा भी हो सकता है. Then are you able to go school on time? Your papa is able to go office on time? No, you can't. So it is necessary for police, traffic police or a traffic man to control the rush, to control the traffic on roads, so everybody can reach safe on time. Safe bhi or on time bhi. Everybody can reach to their destiny on time and safe also. Not only on time but safe also. है ना. अगर ट्रैफिक में बहुत देर तक फंस गए बेटा तो क्या होगा? हम बार बार घड़ी देखेंगे, अरे यार, अरे मैं लेट हो गया एंड हम हमारी गाड़ी बहुत तेज भगाएंगे. सो दैट टाइम इट इज मोर चांसेस टू मीट विथ एन एक्सीडेंट. So this is the duty of a police, traffic police or a traffic man to control the traffic. Whatever traffic is on the road, it should be controlled by the traffic police only. So we can reach the destiny not only on the time but safe also. Right? So as well as police station, traffic police, we have the fire station also. The main work of the fire station is that to control the fire. Fire station means एक जगह होती है बेटा जहाँ पर आग लग जाती है, तो जो कंट्रोल करने का काम होता है वो काम किसका होता है? वो फायर स्टेशन का होता है. The fire station is also an important service call in the neighborhood. It is also an important service. हमें नहीं पता है कब कहाँ कैसे आग लग जाए. Right? So fire station has firefighters, firemen and fire brigades. Fire brigade is a kind of vehicle. Fire brigade is a kind of vehicle. In that vehicle there is so many water, बहुत सारा पानी होता है, and very big pump is there in that fire brigade. And when fire breaks out, the red fire brigade with their loud siren and come to save the pupil. कभी भी बेटा किसी भी बड़ी जगह पे जब कहीं कहीं आग लग जाती है ना, तो जो फायर स्टेशन होता है, फायर स्टेशन की एक जो व्हीकल होता है जो यूज़ करते हैं वो पूरा रेड होता है और उसमें एक बेल लगी होती है. सपोज उनके पास कॉल आया कि फलानी जगह पर आग लग गई है, तो इमीडिएटली ऑल द फायरमैन्स विल set in that vehicle and the siren, the alarm of that fire vehicle will continuously ring. घंटी बजाते जाते हैं वो लोग. Then why? Because they wants to serve the pupil's life. Those who are in the fire, those who are inside the building in the fire, they wants to serve their lives. Understand? So this is the main work of the fire station, this is the main work of the fire brigade, to serve the lives. Right? So this duty is very risky beta. इसमें फायरमैन की खुद की भी जान जा सकती है. This is very risky work. किसी को आग में से बाहर निकाल कर लाना, it is dangerous to that fireman also. That it is very risky, not only for you but for fireman also. And if you have any fire in any building, you can dial 101. This is the number of fire station. This is the number of fire station. Right? Understand? Hope you understand well. Otherwise, once again I will explain all these things in my lecture. So here we are finishing our chapter number 6, my neighborhood. Here we are finishing the chapter. Now in my next lecture I will explain you once again about the being good neighbors, places in our neighborhood, police station and fire station with new word. So when you will watch this video, get ready with your book and notebook both. We will write not only the new words of the lecture, new words of the chapter, but I will once again explain you all about all these things, but in a little way. Okay, so till then, bye bye, have a nice day. Keep watching, keep reading, keep learning, or keep giving me likes. Thank you. Bye.